Imagine the day when Onpassive is in full high-altitude orbit, the launch being perfectly accomplished, and the orders for products and services are pouring in by the tens of thousands per day. Imagine you are a founder with a good-sized customer base now automatically renewing their subscriptions every month because the depth, scope, and value of Onpassive's products proved to be even more superior and easier to use than anyone expected. Imagine the peace of mind growing for 1 million or so founders who saw the future reality to come before launch and joined forces with the visionary, Ash Mafare. Their peace emanates from the cash buildup in their wallets, knowing that all financial worries are now over. Imagine the peace that also comes from knowing that all their family members and close friends have found the same peace by also being founders in Onpassive. Imagine the harmony among all the people blessing and being blessed, sharing, teaching, learning, and helping others. Imagine no hunger, no poverty, no homelessness, or strife. And finally, imagine how all those who doubted, hesitated, or backed out are feeling now, seeing what could have been a success slip away like a dream upon awakening. Imagine if you could go back in time and tell someone how it really is. Imagine all that. What would you do today knowing what you imagine today is just another look at tomorrow? My mentor Dr. Omar Reed said, "If it's been done, it's probably possible." Ash Mafare, our CEO, says, "It's a done deal." I imagine we know where this will then end. John Lennon wrote, "Imagine all the people sharing all the world." You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. A Bill Must production.